I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the RoMech brand, their hot knife foam cutter. It's air-cooled, continuous use. This is the 200 watt versions. They have higher wattage, 250 and 300, or 150 low or 100. Comes with a real simple user manual and has this really nice lockable case that holds the unit itself, the power cord nice and long. Has the tool you're going to need to install the actual blades on there. Then on the other side it has two different sets of blades, a longer one and a shorter one, and it has a nice cleaning brush. So we're going to install this and let you know how it works. I'm going to take it out of the case and show you. There's everything out of the case. You can see the unit itself, the two different blades, the cleaner, and on the unit itself it has a nice hanging hanging hook right here, and also the tool you're going to need to install the actual blades. And I like the way they have that sitting on the device with a rubber sleeve so that you don't lose this when you go to put the blade on there. So let's take a look at the shorter blade right here. Here you can see what the blade looks like. It's kind of got a sharp edge on there, so be careful. And what this blade is doing, it's got a special construction materials so that it has resistance in it, and that's where the current goes through and heats it up evenly. So the whole concept is this is going to be connected there and heating up that blade. Now there is a control on here, which is nice. It's a power control. You can regulate the temperature down to a lower or a higher depending on what you're melting, because some foams or plastics require more energy to melt. Here is the switch. That switch engages the power through here. Air cooled, you can see it has ventilation holes there because there is a transformer in here converting 120 volts to a lower voltage, just like a soldering iron has. So let's put this blade on right here. So first we're going to loosen these holding screws. Make sure that they're loose enough to handle sliding that blade into there. Goes in just like that. It kind of hangs out right on the inner part. Now we could rotate this and tighten this down. It's important that these are all tightened because that's what's putting the contact pressure on the actual conductor right there. So now we're ready to test it. So here I have the product hooked up to a watt meter, as you can see right here. There is a knob for power. Now if you look closely at that knob, you can see these little ridges on there. So when you go in the upwards direction, reach the end of the stop, that's the lowest power. I can demonstrate that here. Turn it on, you see the red light come on, and it's modulating. You see it's 46 watts. If I go in the other direction and I go down towards the cord, and you can see those lines increasing, which increases the power, and I hit it again, and you can see that it goes to 250 watts. So there's how you get your full control over the power when you're using the device. Here I have a thermal camera that shows heat. You can see the heat from my hand, and you can see I could turn this on, and you see that it gets colored, and this is the low setting. If I go to the high setting, it'll be red. So it shows that it has very even temperature distribution, which is what you want. So when you first start off cutting any type of foam or plastic, you want to have it on the lowest settings and see if that's adequate to cut and get you what you need. So you can see that on the low setting, it's going through here very easily. and you can hear the cooling fan coming on. So that's basically it. You know, you want to clean this off with the included brush while it's still a little warm, and then it's easier than wipe it down maybe with a little alcohol. Keep that as clean as possible, but you're all set. This works amazing. So after testing, what do I think about the RoMech brand, their hot knife foam cutter with that air-cooled, continuous use, 200-watt version? As I demonstrated, this thing works excellent to melt foam and plastic. I love the carrying case, the longer blade, the extra blade, the brush, and the tool that stays in place, and the hook on here, the long cord. Really, really nice product. This is one of those things you want to have in your toolbox because you never know when you're going to cut plastic or foam. I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.